Hi, welcome to Angel's Kitchen. Today we are gonna cook stroganoff. Stroganoff is basically a mixture of sorted vegetables in a creamy sauce. It's one of my favorite. The stroganoff came out of Russian kitchens, but now it is famous all over the world. It can be cooked in both the ways, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. So today I'll be teaching you both the ways. Let's start. I have chopped all the vegetables. I've taken 1 bowl of mushrooms, half bowl of broccoli, half bowl of red bell pepper, half bowl of green bell pepper, half bowl of yellow bell pepper, half bowl of onion and 2 to 3 teaspoons of chopped garlic. इसको हमने रफली चॉप कर लिया है. ये ना ही ज़्यादा बड़ा ना ही ज़्यादा छोटा होना चाहिए. मीडियम साइज में हमने इनको चॉप कर लिया है. मशरूम्स और ब्रोकली को हम छोटा छोटा चॉप नहीं करेंगे. इसको हमने बड़ा लंबा लंबा स्लाइस कर लेना है इस तरह से. सिमिलरली मैंने ब्रोकली को स्लाइस किया है. अब जस्ट कट इट इनटू हाफ लाइक दिस. इस तरह से हमने ब्रोकली और मशरूम्स को कर लेना है. फॉर सॉस we need 1 cup of hung curd, 3 to 4 teaspoons of butter. Here I'm using Amul butter, normal home butter. 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of milk. Any milk you can use, toned, full cream or Tetra Pak, whatever you have. For hung curd thing, how to make it, you can find my YouTube link in the description box. Vegetarians can use 250 grams of cottage cheese, cut it into small pieces. Non-vegetarians can use boneless chicken thigh, 250 grams, cut it into small pieces. All our ingredients are ready now. Let's begin with cooking. ब्रोकली को हमने 2 मिनट्स के लिए बॉईल करना है. विदाउट कवर करें हम इसको 2 मिनट के लिए बॉईल करेंगे. Once the water starts boiling, we'll add broccoli to this. After 2 minutes, we'll turn off the flame और हम ब्रोकली को स्ट्रेन कर लेंगे. Similarly, हम बेल पेपर्स को भी 2 मिनट के लिए बॉईल कर लेंगे. Once water starts boiling, we'll add our bell peppers to it. And let it boil for 2 minutes. कैप्सिकम्स भी बॉईल हो गए हैं. हम फ्लेम बंद कर देंगे और इसको भी हम स्ट्रेन कर लेंगे. First of all, we'll start preparing our sauce. In a pan, I've taken 2 spoons of butter. इसको हम मेल्ट कर लेंगे. Keep the flame low. इसको हमने हाई पे कुक नहीं करना है. Once the butter has melted, I'll add 2 spoons of all-purpose flour to this. इसे हम 1 मिनट के लिए कुक कर लेंगे. After 1 minute, we'll add milk to this. इसे हम कंटिन्यूसली स्टेयर करेंगे ताकि इसमें कोई लम्प्स फॉर्म ना हो. You can see after the boil, this has started becoming a bit thick. इस टाइम पे I'm going to low down my flame. I'm gonna cook this for another 1 minute. इस स्टेज पे we're gonna add our hung curd to this. Before adding hung curd, हम इसे थोड़ा सा whisk कर लेंगे और स्मूथ कर लेंगे. Before adding hung curd, I'm gonna turn off the flame. और इसको अच्छे से मिक्स कर लेंगे. मेक श्योर हंग कर्ड डालने से पहले आप फ्लेम ज़रूर बंद कर दें. So our sauce is ready. So I'm going to keep this aside. Now we are going to saute our mushrooms. I'm going to just grease the wok and add mushrooms. इसको हम हाई फ्लेम पे सौते करेंगे. Why I am going to saute this first is because mushrooms has lot of water. अगर हम इसको बिना सौते करे डाल देंगे तो ये ग्रेवी में जो है अपना पानी रिलीज़ करेगा और ग्रेवी विल बिकम वेरी थिन, जो कि हमें नहीं चाहिए. वी वांट इट टू बी थिक. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग टू सौटे इट बिफोर. After 2 minutes, you can see our mushrooms are done. It has shrunk in its size. So it's ready. Similarly, we are going to saute our chicken. I'll just add half teaspoon of butter. And I'll add chicken to this. Chicken also has water. So similarly like mushrooms, we are going to saute chicken also for 3 to 4 minutes. Chicken is ready now. I'm going to turn off the flame. Vegetarians अगर स्ट्रोगनॉफ कुक कर रहे हैं तो वो पनीर को एज इट इज़ यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उसको हमें सौते करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm going to grease the wok again. Add chopped garlic and cook it for 1 minute. To this, I'm going to add my chopped onions. Saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. If you see it has started burning, so you can just reduce the flame. After 2 minutes to this, I'll add boiled capsicums and bell peppers. Boiled broccoli. And mushrooms. We are going to cook this together for 1 minute. To this we'll add salt. I have added 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can add as per your taste. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to this. This is totally optional. If you have, you can add. If not, then you can just squeeze 1 lemon to this. This is just to give one little tangy flavor to the stroganoff. Saute this for 1 minute and add chicken to this. Mix them well. Finally, we are going to add our sauce to this. Now I'm going to reduce the flame and I'll cover this and I'll cook this for 1 to 2 minutes so that all the flavors blend together well. Our stroganoff is ready. At this stage, if you think it's a bit thick, you can add little milk to this. Stroganoff makes a very good combination with boiled rice. I have boiled rice with me, so I'm going to serve stroganoff with rice today. Time for plating. So I'm going to make bed of rice. Spread the rice. And pour our stroganoff over that. Our stroganoff is ready. Time to eat. Yum. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Angel's Kitchen. Bye-bye.